Bleaching agents, ozone, chlorine, SO2. These three comparisons. Bleaching action means what? Say for example some flower is there in this way, which is having some color. Now by adding bleaching agent that will become colorless. Say for example this is colorless, this is of rose color or pink color. This color is vanished by adding bleaching agent. Now how ozone, chlorine and SO2 will act as a bleaching agent in comparative manner we will study here. Ozone. So ozone is decomposing to give O2 plus nascent oxygen. This will involve in bleaching action. Means this oxygen is responsible for bleaching action, so it bleaches through oxidation. Whereas chlorine will react with water, so moisture required for it, 2HCl plus nascent oxygen produced, 2HCl plus nascent oxygen. So this oxygen is responsible for bleaching action. So this is also bleaches through oxidation. But what about SO2? SO2 also require moisture with water, that is forming H2 SO4 and two hydrogens. These hydrogens are responsible for bleaching action. Means these hydrogens will reduce the colored matter, so that will become colorless. Means it bleaches through reduction. It bleaches through reduction. It bleaches through reduction. Now here moisture not required, ozone case, no water or moisture required. So it is dry bleaching agent. Dry bleaching agent. Whereas here moisture necessary, requires moisture. Whereas here this is also water required, so requires moisture for bleaching action, requires moisture for bleaching action. Now through oxidation, if they are doing bleaching action, the bleaching action is permanent bleaching action. Here also through oxidation it is doing bleaching, so that bleaching action is permanent here also. Whereas in case of SO2, being it is bleaching through reduction, this is its bleaching action is temporary. Its bleaching action is temporary bleaching action. Temporary bleaching action. So dry bleaching agent ozone, moisture required for chlorine and SO2 for doing bleaching. Then through oxidation of ozone and chlorine bleaching, but SO2 bleaching through reduction. Being ozone and chlorine bleaches through oxidation, their bleaching action is permanent. Being through reduction, SO2 bleaching, that is temporary bleaching action. Why? Because colored matter reduced to give colorless matter. In open atmosphere, that oxygen can further oxidize it, so reduced product again converting into normal condition by oxidation by aerial oxygen, that is oxygen present in air. So that is temporary action, temporary bleaching action.